Oh my god, this is Indian cockle, Koyal. There is a glass on the building and she is getting crazy looking at her own reflection. So probably she is moving here and there. Innocent birds don't know human ways, inhuman human ways, or humanely inhuman ways. Now she is getting little disturbed. Maybe she is pricking her beak against the glass. Wonderful. Complete black is female and brownish blackish is male. It's great sighting. Wonderful. The great Indian cocker. कोयल सी तेरी बोली कुकु 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 सूरत है कितनी भोली कुकु कुकु. This is what real cockle is. Look at her eyes, brown, shining, magical. Wow, coming out. Oh man, don't cut trees, grow more plants. For them, they cannot speak, but you have sensibility. You can sense what all these birds and beasts need. Nothing but nature. No to deforestation, yes to ecological sustainable development. Yes, you grow develop your societies, buildings and infrastructure, but not at the cost of these poor, mute, innocent birds and beasts.